Hey, what's up, guys? X's Block your X's here. Now we're gonna play survival games. Yeah, now let me get back to the first person. There we go. This is our second episode. Let's play. Look at that face. Look at that face. But anyway, let's join here. There we go. Ooh, I'm gonna chat. Smiley face. There we go. Hi, Titi. No, T, Q, T. Yeah, just gonna start for a minute. Sorry for that silence because I'm not feeling well today. Whew. That's 7 minutes of blah 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 blah. We're gonna go here, an easy one. But first, I'm gonna get just a stuff from the middle. I didn't mean to jump. Excuse me. Um, uh, I don't really know. Um, I don't really know about this map because I don't really play Hunger Games for a while because I'm super busy and I'm so tired. I'm not feeling well. There we go. Run. Just run. Oh, there's a chest there. I might get it. Oh, I'm not gonna get it. Oh, server's starting soon. Come back. Anyway, let's go back again. Ah, I'm not gonna show my password. Let's go fast. Woo! It will start in 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Yeah. I don't know what happened from that time, but at least I joined again. Um, I'm just gonna say that from this channel right now, I'm just gonna play Minecraft all the time. Minecraft. There's no like Pixel Gun 3D, Call of Mini Infinity, Hillcam Racing, or Fingers or Prop Hunts. Yeah, it will just gonna be Minecraft. I'm so excited. You know what? That helicopter, that two choppers, or three, are so cool. That's so awesome. I wish that there is a build battle in 0.12.0 or 0.12.1 of a build 10. Yeah. How many minutes left? Um, 1 minute. There we go. I've chatted. The match will gonna start in 30 seconds. Yeah. Um, I'm chatting right now with Mobzen FTW. I'm gonna chat first. Um, ooh, that was just time. Get the diamond, get the diamond. Yeah, I've got the diamond. Hopefully, no one gonna kill me. I want from the Hunger Games. What's that thing? If you don't know Mobzen FTW, please check him out on YouTube. He's playing servers too, like Minecraft, like that. Yeah, he's a friend of mine. Remove his conversation. There we go. I've been this map before. Oops, I fell. Well, there's a ladder here. There is like in here. Hopefully there's a chest. Oops. The lag is real. What? I don't wanna go there. Ooh, but I wanna go here. There we go. Hopefully no one can see me. Touch match is starting till 7 minutes. Until 7 minutes. Yeah. Is there any chest here? Excuse me. I hope there is. There we go. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, no, don't fall. I die here. I'm gonna be so mad. What? What is I couldn't get up? There we go. Is there any chest around here? Maybe at the top. I'm just gonna crouch. It will last forever. And there's a trap right there. Maybe there's a chest. Oops, there's no chest. Well, let's get in here. Ooh, there's a chest. Ooh! This is a pretty cool one. Yeah, I'm liking it. Now we have an iron axe. Just have been refilled. Woo! I just need the food. And now I'm just gonna organize my things. There we go. It is a lot more better if I have a arrows because I have bow, but I have no arrows. Yeah. Let's get out of here. Sorry for the lag because servers are so laggy, you know. It is the border. It said the chest have been refilled. I'm gonna find more chest and find out if there is more cool stuff. See you guys later at the that much. I'm gonna speed it up. Oh yeah. What? I died. But anyway guys, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, please press that like button and please subscribe if you want more videos. This is XXBlackXXX signing out and Cheeto. Bye guys. Bye.